Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a list of all the vocabularies related to animals in the JLPT N5 syllabus. As always, there will be memory tricks so you can remember the vocabularies in no time. Without further ado, let's get started. The first vocabulary in the list is animal. Animal in Japanese is 動物, 動物. To remember 動物 as animal, we can remember this sentence. Petting animals increases our dopamine level. It definitely reboots our moods. Again, petting animals increases our dopamine level. It definitely reboots our moods. Okay, as you can see here, dopamine, do and reboots, boots, ぶつ. Combine them together. 動物, 動物. Do of dopamine and 物 of reboots. 動物, 動物. Animal, animal. 動物, animal. 動物, animal. 動物. The second one on the list is dog. Dog in Japanese is 犬, 犬, 犬. The memory trick to remember 犬 is my dog likes to play in the pool. My dog likes to play in the pool. In, and pool, in pool. So if we combine them together, inu, 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 which means dog. Inu, dog. Inu, dog. Inu. Number 3 on the list is cat. Cat in Japanese is neko, neko. The memory trick to remember neko as cat is cats like to take naps in cozy spots. Cats like to take naps in cozy spots. Naps and cozy. Na in naps and ko is in cozy. So if we combine them together, it's gonna be nako, nako, which is similar to neko, neko, which means cat. Neko, cat. Neko, cat. Neko, neko, cat. Neko. Number 4 on the list is pig. And pig in Japanese is 豚, 豚. The memory trick to remember 豚 as pig is as follows. Three Little Pig is a brilliant fairy tale that teaches the importance of hard work. Three Little Pig is a brilliant fairy tale that teaches the importance of hard work. Bu in brilliant, bu in brilliant, and ta in tail, tail, tail. So if we combine them together, brilliant, tail, bu, te, bu, ta, bu, ta. Buta, buta is pig. Brilliant fairy tale, buta, buta, pig. Buta, pig. Buta, pig. Buta. Number 5, cow is ushi, ushi. To remember ushi as cow, we can look at this sentence. The cows are behind the bush. The cows are behind the bush. Bush. If we focus on the ush, it sounds like ushi, ush, ushi, ushi. So that's how we remember ushi as cow. Bush, ush, ushi, ushi. Cow, ushi, cow, ushi, cow, ushi. The next one on the list is bird. Bird in Japanese is tori, tori. To remember tori, we can look at this sentence. I trained my bird to do a trick. It waves whenever someone walks by. I trained my bird to do a trick. Trick. Trick sounds like tori, the first three characters in the word. Trick, trick, tori, tori. Tori, bird. Tori, bird. Tori. The final vocabulary on the list is chicken. Chicken in Japanese is niwatori, niwatori. To remember niwatori as chicken, we can remember this sentence. The chicken is near a trolley. The chicken is near a trolley. If we pronounce near a trolley quick enough, it will sound like niwatori. Try with me. Near a trolley. Near a trolley, near a trolley, near a trolley, niwatori, 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 chicken, niwatori, chicken, near a trolley, niwatori, chicken, niwatori, chicken, niwatori. Now, let's go through the list again and review the vocabularies that you've learned today. The first one, animal, is 動物, 動物. We remembered 動物 with two words, dopamine and reboots. Do in dopamine and boots in 物. 動物, 動物, animal. Petting animals increases our dopamine level. It definitely reboots our moods. Number 2 on the list was dog. Dog is inu, and we remembered it with in, this word, in, and u, in pool. So if we combine it, it's gonna be inu, inu, dog. Number 3 on the list was cat. Cat is neko, neko. We remembered it was naps and cozy, nap and cozy, neko, neko. Number 4, pig, is buta, buta. We remembered it with brilliant fairy tale, brilliant fairy tale. Bu from brilliant and ta from tail. Buta, buta, pig, buta. Number 5 on the list was cow, and cow is ushi. We remembered with the word bush, bush, ushi, ushi. Number 6, bird, was tori, and we remembered it with the word trick, trick, tori, tori. Number 7, chicken, is niwatori, niwatori. We remembered it with near a trolley, niwatori. Well done! This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and happy learning!